With LS Central, we have the LS Central Online Help. So let's explore it a little bit. So now I am in my VM and I'm going to use the app shell. And within the app shell, we have a link for the LS Central Online Help. Let's use it. And remember that the online help is live, meaning that for every version we provide with the solution, we update this online help. So what do we have here? We have lots of practical things. Let's name a few. The product overview. Here you have nice information about the LS Central product. So if you look into it and browse it, you will see all kinds of information about it. So this is something that is done for you partners, customers, everybody who's interested in LS Central to look into and find out what is in the solution. So you can click and continue and read about different things. And we have the LS Central product overview. We have the modules, the consulting modules, supporting functionality, and about the apps. So what is more in the online help? Let's go back to the beginning. So here we have the main online help about LS Central in this brick here. Behind here, the modules, apps, functionality, we have more information about the different modules, apps, and functionality. So let's look at this one here. So you will see that we have set this up in alphabetical order. And if you would like to look at custom order, what does it does? You go here. If you want to look at the member management, you go here, and so on. Point of sales shows you different subchapters, POS, design, and devices for POS. So if you would like to learn more about the POS setup in details, you go here. But this can be, of course, quite complicated. In a way, what I mean is it can be complicated because there is so much information here. So how about looking at the search option? What can we do to make things easy? So let's explore a little bit how we can use the filter option in the solution. Dual display is something that works with the LS Central POS. Not everybody knows what a dual display is, so it could be nice to find out if the online help more information about it. So let's key in to the search strings dual display and hit enter. Now you see I got 36 results. It's a bit too much for me. So what I can do here, I can go to this filter option and only find information that is in the LS Central part with dual display, not in the field help, installation, release notes, etc. So let's select that and do the search again. And now we only got 9 results. So you see it's quite practical to use. We could do a little bit differently. Maybe we would like to know where it was in release notes. And then we find out 8 results. So you see this helps us a lot to find the information quicker to use this method. Another thing here in the LS Central help, apart from all these tiles or bricks here, we also have a list of information. So you have the how-to documents, all the how-to documents that are with LS Central and things like that. You have the more documentation here. Here we have additional guides that have not made it yet into the online help, but we still think they are valid for our partners and customers to use.